Okay, good morning, teachers. I'm going to show you real quick how to plant your sweet potato plants. So number one, I've got some nice slow release fertilizer that'll come with the plants. Per plant, we're going to put, maybe a teaspoon per planting hole. And how I would do this is about that much. And again, this is slow release, so you're not going to burn these plants. But dig your little hole and then just sort of mix that in just like that, and then we're going to get our plant here. When I plant it, I like to kind of break up that root ball a little bit, loosen it up, and we can plant these a little bit high. All these plants look pretty good. If we had any yellow leaves or anything, we'd just go ahead and pull those off, but these all look nice and green. And then we're going to set this in a little bit deep. And then my spacing, in most of our beds, they're probably 4x8s. So we could probably do 2 rows of 4, giving them, at least 1.5 feet between 2 feet apart. So here I've got my next hole here, here, and here. And then we'll do a second row, just mirroring this in a standard 4x8 bed. So that's what we're gonna look like. If we have a little bit of extra fertilizer left over, we can always come back with that. But again, this is slow release, so this should feed over the planting here. So the next 4 months, this will release nutrients, so we should be pretty set. That's all we're really trying to do. Of course, water these after you put them in. Otherwise, get them in before you go out to summer. Hopefully the next 2-3 weeks, they'll have some care, and after that, they should be a little bit resilient throughout the summertime. So best of luck this year on the Sweet Potato Showdown.